All right, so when I was at work, Richie said that they were playing catch, and Everly caught it a few times with this ball.
She's eager to catch that.
Yeah.
Catch.
The trick is that she can put her hands in front of her.
She was fast, like she do like that. Catch. You forgot? We do this today. Catch. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Catch. Almost. Catch.
Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Wow! Man!
One more time. Catch.
Oh my gosh! That's so good! Yeah! Ready?
Catch.
That's really good.
This is what we do all day, right? Catch. 1, 2, 3, catch.
Oh,
one more
man.
time. Catch. One more time. Catch.
Wow! That's really impressive. Oh! That's really good. Wow.
1, 2, 3, catch. One more time. Catch. Yeah! One more time. Catch. What's it? Catch. Catch. Here. You're trying your best, right?
I mean, that's really hard to do.
Catch. Almost. This is fast. 1,
At that
2, 3,
young
catch.
age. That's... Oh!
Catch.
Man! Look at you. That's really good.
Catch. 1, 2, 3, catch.
I'm pretty sure I couldn't do it at that age.
Catch. She likes to catch this. 1, 2, 3, catch. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's really good.
Congratulations, man. I'm proud of you. Congratulations. Catch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, catch. 1, 2, 3, catch. Yeah.
Wow. Good job.
Catch. 1, 2.
That's very good. Good job. Can you high five?
High five
Up here?
back.
All right. Woo. Good job. Where's your nose?
You make sure too.
How about your ears?
Your ears.
We're working on her ears. That's a little more difficult. Hey, ears. Look. Ears.
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 Yeah. Ears and nose.
Yeah.
Nose. Where's your nose? Here you go.
Throw it to me. Whoa! Catch. One more time. Catch. Yeah.
All right. Ready? Like this. Yeah, you can try. Yeah. Very good.
job.
Oh. Whoa. Woo.
Catch. 1, 2, 3, catch. Oh, that's nice. Oh.
Nice.
Good job. Nice training.
Up here. Hey, up here.
Up here. Okay, stand up. Up here, first. Pierce. Up here. Bye-bye. Very focused. Oh, she's in another card reading.
Let's get the cards. Yeah.
Can you read?
That's a nice colorful one. Oh. Da. Can you say do?
Read it. Can you read for me? Without love is patient, love is kind, it bears all things, believes all things. Okay, you read.
Do. Look. Do. Zap. Yeah. Everly loves her blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh. What are you gonna build? Yeah, No, not this piece? No? Okay. How about this one? How about a window? How about this one? How about this one? Okay. How about this one? You'll take that one? No. No. How about this piece? Oh! There you go. Okay. That's a good piece. How about a window? A window? No? Okay. How about a hamburger bun? Wow, look at this one. That must have been a big tree. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Window. Where are you going? Oh! There you go. Put him back in here now. Good job. Oh, almost. There you go. All right. Good job. Almost. Right in there. Oh, what are you gonna do with those two? Oh, nice save. Good job. What are you gonna do with those? Ah. That's a good building spot. How about this there? Yeah. How about this on top of here? Ooh. That's a good spot. Yeah. Here, how about one of these? One of these? Yeah, there you go. How about this on top of here? Look at this, Everly. Whoa. Oh, can you do that? Look, watch. This there. Let's put one. Watch. Wow. Yeah. Oh, that was so close. Try it again. Oh, so close. Try it again. Look, here's a long one. Does that hurt your feet? Nice and slow. Where are you going? Do you want to use some of these? Look at all these. Put them in here. Nice job. Here's some more. Bada. Oh. Where are you going? Who's that? Let's get the basketball over here. Here, I'll bring it to you. There you go. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Bless you. Hey, woo! Good shot. Try it again. Did you hear someone sneeze over here? Shoot the hoop. 3, 2, yay! Good job. hard to get. Watch your head. Yeah! Woo! All right. High five. High five. Yeah! Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Kumusta? Hello. Time to sit on my lap for a minute. How was your day? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, okay. Score! Is that a touchdown? Nice. Good job. Nice shot.
Ooh.
Oh man, quite a throw. Look at your face.
It's funny because it's new thing for to her also that she do that to her eyebrow.
Otto. Here, like this. Put it in. Woo. Good job.
Show the eyebrow. Show the eyebrow.
Good. Oh. Keep going. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Good.
Good. Am I hire you?
Yeah, this is less we have to do. If you can make a mess and clean it up too, then that's a good achievement. Keep going. Oh, time to start over. Oh, on top of me. Ah! You gonna pour it on me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah!
It just slipped.
Let's see what Everly does when I go mention that I'm gonna go upstairs. All right, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs.
She's waiting here. Like, it's not just today, but last time Dustin's sitting there and he was about to go upstairs and she was like panicking, like, bring me. I'm still here.
All right, well, I'll see you guys later.
I mean, we'll follow Daddy.
Here, you try it. I bet she'll do it too.
I'll go there upstairs. I'll go upstairs. Daddy, we'll go upstairs. Please. We'll go upstairs. Come here.
Oh,
When
bye-bye.
you say upstairs.
Bye-bye. She's waving.
Daddy.
We'll see you later. Bye-bye. She knows what's going on upstairs. What time is it? Is it Wheel of Fortune time?
It's 6:59.
Yeah.
Is it?
Time for Wheel of Fortune and Jeopardy. That's kind of our nightly routine.
Try when you already carry her, like you carried her, and I try to get her.
All right.
You try to get her first.
All right. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow! I do that, she doesn't come to me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You like Daddy more? Just kiss me.
Because you didn't see me all day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Yeah? It's like I've seen you all day long.
It's funny because she knows what she wants to you, and to me, like to you, every time is playtime. To me, it's when she's hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Oh, thank you. Let me hug baby.
She's patting yourself.
Oh, now you hug baby. Oh, you're so good to baby. Yes. You're so good to baby.